Hello everybody! Today we're gonna make some bread. We're gonna make some bread using our trusted cast iron Dutch oven. Yeah! This is super simple. You need 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt. There you go, just that much. That's it. A 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. Voila! Grab a whisk so you can stir all that good stuff up before you add water. I have this nifty kettle. It's got a thermometer on, so I'm using hot water, which is about 130 degrees. If you get hot water straight from your kitchen sink, that's probably fine too. And when it comes to stirring this up, I use the handle of my wooden spoon. It's easier on the wrists. Yeah, speed it up. This dough is kind of messy. It's stringy, it's shaggy, I guess. Could describe it. Make sure you get all the bits in there, you incorporate it. And then you just leave it alone and you cover it up. I live at 6,200 feet up in the mountains, and so I leave it alone to rise for 24 hours. If you're at sea level, 4 hours is enough. Now check this out, this is my magic trick. I know, so cool, right? Enough silliness, let's see what we have. So, it's been rising, it's about 2.5 times what it was before. It's got bubbles on top, looks good. We're gonna need a little extra flour and a scraper. I don't have a scraper, I have a big spatula that I use for pancakes. I totally did that in one take, by the way. Alright, flour up your surface. On the hands, why not? Put some on top, get the dough out of there. Hey dude, you got a scraper, why don't you use your scraper? Or that big blue spatula. God. Alright, get on with it. This guy. There it is. Alright, so you kind of fold it, you slam it down, you fold it with the spatula or the scraper, and you make a ball. It's still kind of messy. Don't worry if you don't have a really smooth ball. What happened next is important. Not that. So, okay, parchment paper, yeah, about this much. That goes back in the bowl. for about 30 minutes, and then you preheat the oven to 450 degrees. What you need to do though is put the Dutch oven in the oven as it preheats. Alright, 30 minutes. Pancakes. Alright, pads. Important, because that thing is hot. You want to see how hot it is? Ooh, look out! Steamy. Then you grab the parchment paper, you just put it in there just like that. Use the pad to grab the lid because it's still super hot. Safety first, kids. Alright, so we're gonna go 30 minutes with the lid on, and then an extra 15 minutes with the lid off, and we're going to end up with the super brown and crusty exterior. Check it out. This is now the ultimate test. No sound effects here. This is what, that's hot. This is what you're gonna get. Listen. That's what I'm talking about.
So I want to show you something. It's crunchy. It's delicious. Now I can. All right, you share with me.
Toast.
Cheese.
Delicious.
That's it.